Hello there. This message may not resonate with everyone, and that's okay. If you're someone who's having a joyful Christmas this year, I wish you all the warmth, togetherness, and joy that the season can bring. May your holiday be filled with laughter and love. But this message is for those who find this Christmas anything but merry. It's for the person grieving the loss of a loved one, the one blindsided by difficult news, or the one feeling drained to their very core, barely finding the strength to face another day. It's for the person mourning a cherished dream that feels lost, the one sitting in fear in a hospital waiting room, the one whose efforts to save a relationship have unraveled, or the one facing family conflicts that keep them apart from loved ones. It's for the person feeling broken, lonely, and weighed down by the struggles of this past year. I can't fix the pieces that have shattered around you or within you. This message can't undo what's been lost, heal what's hurting, or transform this holiday into what you wish it could be. But maybe it can be a small light in the heavy darkness you're currently navigating. I want to remind you of something very important. You are not alone. Pain has a way of isolating us, making us feel like we're the only ones struggling while everyone else is thriving. But that's not true. There are many of us whom this Christmas feels anything but festive. If you doubt it, look at the comments or stories shared by others. You're not alone in this. I understand how hard it is, and I'm standing with you. Even if we're not physically in the same space, this year I count myself among those who are struggling too. I'm sorry that life's difficulties don't pause for the holidays. Hardships don't care what the calendar says, and that makes them even harder to bear. Please don't be too hard on yourself for wondering where the joy has gone, or why you can't feel the way you think you should. Expecting yourself to feel happy right now might be an unfair burden. Instead, let yourself be where you are. Stop trying to force yourself to feel something that just isn't there, or to hide what you're truly feeling. Seek out small moments of relief, however and wherever you can. It's okay if you don't feel like celebrating this year. You don't have to decorate, sing, or cook if your heart just isn't in it. Meet this Christmas season exactly where you are, and let go of the guilt for not being able to make it something else. But know this. Your story doesn't end here. This Christmas is just one chapter, not the whole book. Even if it's hard to see from where you stand right now, there are days ahead where the weight of this darkness will lift. New dreams will take shape, and the warmth of love and connection will return. When that time comes, celebration will feel natural again. Until then, and even long after, know that you are not alone. You are joined by many of us who are navigating a Christmas shaped by pain instead of candy canes this year. And please remember, you are loved. Truth is your essence. Sat Nam.